Ali from Crash Fashions, and we are located at 177B Park Street, which is very near to Park Circus, Arsalan. And before we start, let me introduce myself. We have got our own hand block printing, hand painting, batik, shibori print unit in Calcutta, and each and every designs supervised by me and my other staffs are there. So everything is our in-house production from kantha stitch to hand embroidery, cut work, Parsi work, all kind of embroideries. It's all our in-house production. We don't outsource from others and sell it like that. So we don't design. So the sari number one, the price of this sari is 6,200. This is a zari tussar. This is a zari tussar. This has got the pallu and border is zari and full border tussar. This is a digital print and it has got the kantha outline throughout, as you can see all over the kantha outline, and filled with the multicolor French knot. Throughout the body it goes like this. This is the all over sari, fully kantha stitch and French knot, and this is the pallu. I'll show you the closer look of this sari. As you can see, fully outlined and then French knot, multi work, all over same work, all over same work. This is the pallu, and this has got the contrast blouse. As you can see, we have given a work on the sleeves also. Sari number 2, 5,800. This is a cut work. This is a kalamkari print. This is a pallu. This is a pallu and the upper border. It will go fully cut work. This is the upper border and this is the skirt part. This is the skirt part, as you can see, and this is a pallu. And the upper border is a cut work. It's all little mirror work everywhere. This is the sari, and this has got the all full printed blouse. It's all over printed blouse. It's a kalamkari print. 5,800. This is a tussar with the hand painted along with kantha stitch and French knot. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the border. It's a grey color. It's a fully kantha outline with French knot stitch, and there is a triangle pallu. As you can see, there is a triangle pallu. I'll show you the close-up of this sari. $5,800, and this has got the blouse with work. This is the blouse. This is 4 sleeves. I'll show you sari number 4. It's a Vishnupuri Katan silk along with kantha, along with cut work and mirror ari work. This is a pallu. There is a diamond shape and there is a cut work. It's a designer cut work. As you can see, this is a pallu. This is a fully hand cut work, and on the down part there is a diamond shape. There is a diamond shape all over printed, and this is upper part. This is a pallu. This is a combination of Rani and blue. Rani and blue. It's a very bright color. It's a very bright color. And it has got a blouse also. There is a blouse for sleeves cut work and printed full border. This is the blouse of the sari, and this is the look of the sari. The number 5, the price of the sari is 5,300. There is also a digital print along with cut work. This is the pallu of the sari. The pallu of the sari, and the full body is all mirror work everywhere on the floral. This is a very bright combination, Rani, and this is a light turquoise aqua color. It's a very nice combination. This is the full body. I'll show you the close-up of this saree. And there is a cut work on the pallu. And this has got the blouse. Every saree comes with the blouse. This is the blouse. And we have given a cut work for sleeves also. The price of this saree is 5,500 range. This is a very good quality. It's a premium quality, Gachi by Gachi, you can say. It's a very good quality tussar. This is the pallu of the saree. As you can see, this is a fully katha multicolor outline and all over kalamkari print. As you can see, the all katha means that peacock will decorated with the stitch. It's all over same. The quality of the sarees are very good. This is the pallu and the full body all kalamkari print. Kalamkari with katha, and this has got the blouse. There is a blouse and 4 sleeves. We have given a work on it. There is a full sleeves. 6,500. I'll show you saree number 7. This is one of the prettiest saree, we can say. It's a very huge, very nice design. It's a peach color and tussar color combination. As you can see, all over same. This is the pallu and this is the body. The fully skirt part worked, and the pallu, there is a rising kind of all over pallu. It goes like this. It's a very pretty saree, and the quality of the sarees are very good. I'll show you the close-up. That fully katha outlined with the black color and multicolor French knot stitch throughout the design. This is a very good color. It's a peach color. And this is the pallu, and it has got the blouse, peach color contrast blouse, and for sleeves we have given a work on sleeves. Very nice. This is the look of the saree. The floral, this is also a Gachi tussar. This is a very nice combination. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body all over. This is all over same print, and it has got the katha outlined with the mustard yellow thread all over outlined, and then we have given a multicolor French knot everywhere. As you can see, this is the all over same work, all over same. This is the look of the saree, the pallu, and it has got the blouse, the contrast blouse, and 4 sleeves. We have given a work 4 sleeves. Again, this is a Gachi tussar with hand painted, and this is a very pretty saree. As you can see, the pallu. This is a pallu. This is a block print. Then we have given a fine katha outline with the multicolor. So multicolor, the pallu is very good, and then we have done a hand painted and katha outline and French knot stitch. The pallu of the saree is very nice, multicolor, and throughout the body it goes like this. This is the saree. This is a very nice color, and this has got the yellow blouse along with the sleeves. See the sleeves for the blouse also, it's also multicolored. I'm going to show you the last saree. This is a designer print, and this is a pallu and pleats pattern. I'll show you how it will come. This is a pallu, this is a hand painted. It's a triangle design, as you can see. This will come to the pallu. This is a pallu, full hand painted and katha multicolor katha stitch. And then this will come like corner means cross. design. This portion will come like this, and from there it will come to the pleats part. It's a very nice design, as you can see. It's a very good quality tussar and fine kantha with French knot stitch. This will look very good. And the blouse has contrast. This has given a contrast blouse with work. You can see for sleeves we have given kantha work for the blouse sleeves. This is very nice saree.